Hello everyone, I'm Harry from Haplast Jsc, and today I would like to introduce you a brand new product. It is Ziplock bags, as you can see here. So you can see there are many types of different Ziplock bags here, and our resealable zipper bags are airtight and can protect your goods from moisture, dust and mess, keeping items dry and neat. They are very durable and not easy to be torn. You can see here. Transparent films allows you to see clearly what inside the clear zip poly bags. They are convenient to organize them in different small items. These storage bags with self-seal zippers are strong but easy to open up and close without ripping the bags. These Ziplock bags can be reused several times, so you can save a lot of money. Our zip bags are ideal for organizing, storing, keeping fresh, and protecting your goods. So if you are interested in this product, please contact us, or you can see more our product by visiting the website haplast.com.vn. Thank you very much for watching.